Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your go-to partner for business growth and legal solutions. Are you a proprietor looking to take your business to the next level? Converting your proprietorship into a partnership might be the perfect way to expand your business, share responsibilities, and leverage diverse expertise. Let's dive into how we can help you make this transition smooth and successful. What is a partnership? A partnership is a business structure where two or more individuals come together to run a business, share profits, and assume responsibilities. Unlike a sole proprietorship, a partnership offers financial stability, collaborative decision-making, and the ability to tap into greater growth potential. It's a great option for proprietors looking to expand and bring in expertise from multiple partners. Why convert from proprietorship to partnership? So why should you consider converting your proprietorship into a partnership? Here are the benefits. Increased capital and funding. More partners mean more capital to fund expansion and growth. Shared risk and responsibilities. Business risks and liabilities are shared, reducing the burden on each partner. Access to multiple skill sets. Partners bring a variety of expertise, networks, and resources to the table. Flexible business operations. Joint decision-making ensures better management and smooth operations. Improved market reputation. A partnership is often seen as a more stable, trustworthy entity than a sole proprietorship. Tax advantages. Business profits are taxed at the individual partner level, offering potential tax savings. Documents required for conversion. To convert your proprietorship into a partnership, we'll need the following documents. Identity proof. PAN, Aadhaar, passport, or voter ID of all partners. Address proof. Bank statement, electricity bill, or rental agreement. Business registration proof. GST certificate, trade license, or MSME registration. Financial documents, balance sheet, tax returns, and profit and loss statement. Partnership deed, a legal agreement that defines the roles, capital contributions, and profit-sharing structure. Registered office address proof, utility bill or rental agreement of your business location. PAN and GST registration for the partnership. Apply for a new PAN and update your GST details. Step-by-step process of conversion. Here's how we'll guide you through the process of converting your proprietorship into a partnership. 1. Select business partners. 2. Draft the partnership deed. 3. Register the partnership firm. 4. Obtain new PAN and GST registration. 5. Transfer assets and liabilities. 6. Notify tax authorities. 7. Inform stakeholders. How Filings Corner helps? At Filings Corner, we make the proprietorship to partnership conversion process hassle-free. End-to-end documentation and registration. Customized partnership deed drafting, seamless tax and GST updates, legal and compliance support, quick and efficient processing, call to action, strong empowering close. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to start your partnership conversion. Filings Corner, making business transitions smooth, legal, and successful.